Hi friends, welcome to Tech ARK IT YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see about yesterday. The In the previous session, we make like CPU alert, like the whenever it goes CPU usage is more, then it should send us an alert, right? In the same way, we are going to make one more script is that useful for our monitoring our server disk utilization or the file system utilization, how much it is used. So based on that, it's going to send us an alert. So here I'm not going to make any critical, or I am not going to make any warning levels or something like that. I'm going to make only one threshold. If that threshold value usage is exceeded of any file system, it's going to send that file system with email alert. So how we are going to do that? So let's go ahead and create our template. So let's say disk space, okay, and I'm going to script and editing that file, and I'm going to say this purpose of this file is that monitoring disk space utilization and send email alert. Okay, so this is our script, and first of all I'm going to specify that threshold. So what is the threshold value over here? So in this case I'm going to take the threshold value is 25%, because my system disk percentages are not more than 25%, or I'm going to make something like maybe 40%. Okay, if the file system utilization is include more than 40%, then it should send us an email. So it should send the email to whom? So you can specify your email address over here. Example, say admin at this machine, or example say that root. So I'm going to send the mail to root in this machine itself, and I'm going to specify my host name over here, because the host name is important, because which host name is critical, so we have to know that, right? Then I'm passing these values host name command to storing this variable. And so first of all I'm going to take the for loop and take the variable as path, and for this path I'm going to assign a def command. So I'm calling def command by complete path def-h, and in this I'm going to grep that and exclude the file systems which I don't want, file system, and as well as the tmpfs file systems. I don't want those, because tmp, if it is increased or decreased, that's not any impact on my system, so I don't want that. And I'm cut the value of 5, okay, the first value, and I'm replacing the percentage value using the sed, okay, as the percentage replaced by the blank space. So this is the first command, so it's going to do on all the partitions. So first of all what we're going to do here is that we are going to see this command, how this command is going to be executed, and how the command output would be. So sorry, maybe here I did not put, okay. So here this is the value I'm getting. So if I remove this one, I'm get, so if I remove this value over here, I get the percentage. If I remove these print values over here, right, the printing value of 5, if I remove this, what I will get, this is the partitions I have and those file system usage. So what I'm doing here is that using the awk, I'm cutting the 5th value. So the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and 5th one. So this is the 5th one I'm cutting, and so this is the ultimately usage, how much utilization it is. So 27%, 44%, and 1%, right? So in this I'm verifying this value is increasing more than the specified, then it should send us an alert. That's what the disk space utilization script we are going to make and do over here. So what it is going to do here, so if $path value is greater than or equal to threshold value. So whatever this threshold value over here, then what it should do, it should capture that whatever it is, in the sense which partition is critical, then grab that value and store into the temporary path, so okay, so this is the temporary path it's going to do, and done. For loop is done. So what it's going to do, so it's going to execute in all the partitions, in the sense what are the partitions are there, it's going to execute this one, and if the percentage of this command is more than threshold or the greater than or equal to threshold value, then it's going to store that whatever the percentage of, it's going to grab that percentage value partition values into this temporary path. And again I'm going to do over here, it is that the value I'm going to assign this cat this temp file and count that file lines, in the sense if the file lines, if the what are the file lines are there, it is the value of the file line count is greater than or equal to 1, in the sense any one of the value is enter into that file, then it's going to send us an email. Okay, email mail-s. In the subject I'm going to specify that host name. Okay, disk usage is critical. Okay, then I'm going to say mail to, so this variable I am calling over here mail to, and I am sending this file output in the mail body. Okay, and close this if condition and delete the temporary file from here, delete this temporary file, that's it. So what it's going to do, it's going to send us an email with the whatever the content, whatever the file system is critical. Okay, this is the value over here, and I am going to execute this path. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add here the pipe symbol, because okay, now I am going to execute this script. This over here, it is that disk space and comment deleting this file. I don't want to delete this file, and execute the disk space. This is the output you're going to get into your files mail actually. So let's see again. So sh, so I'm adding the file is something like this, disk space. So this is third line, again it's going to add into the disk space. Okay, cat /tmp temp. So that line is added over here. So like this, it's going to send you, it is going to send the email alert like that. This is the file system and this is the utilization, and this much MB is left in the file system. So I hope this script is useful for you to monitor your disk space utilization, your Linux system disk space or Unix space. Please follow us on social networking sites. If you have any technical related questions, you can ask.